from Bugeye Guys. Today I'm going to take you into the footwell on this really exceptional car called Jessie. A very custom Bugeye with Hardura floor covering. This is similar to what would have come in the trunk or the boot area on the stock car. And then we've sewn a wool heel pad here to color coordinate with this Nevada beige exterior. So a lot of fancy stuff. There is also foil lining for heat protection, although that's a bit of overkill, but it came that way on this car, so we've left that in place. Today though, I just want to talk to you about these gas pedals. Now this is the pedal that we use. This is a replacement pedal for this type of pedal, which would be mounted to the floor pan with this hinge, and then it's pivoting in this style. And this gizmo plugs into the back of the pedal and hooks where my thumb is into this rod that actuates the throttle. And the problem with these is that they get old. Now, if you want one of these, we do sell them in our parts catalog, but they get old. And this little thing, let's see if I can do it one-handed. This is a new one. It's just a press fit into this rubber socket, and they fall out. They get cracked and fail. And so what can happen, I know this because it's happened to me driving cars. I've driven so many Bugeyes, and these things can come unplugged without this here. You just have this thing hanging like so. It's on the other side usually, like this. But it's just hanging down. And there's enough room for this piece to jam in between the rod and the pedal, and you can end up with a full throttle runaway stuck. It's just a terrible safety risk because these sockets are almost always cracked unless you have a brand new one. So just make sure you take a look at your car. If yours needs replacement, you can get a new one of these, but I like this option better because it'll never fail and never cause any problems. It's a hanging pedal. And it gives your foot something nice to lean on. I drove for many years with just a rod and no pedal at all, but this is a nice way to go. So we sell those. This you can buy in our parts catalog at Bugeye Guys. Thanks for watching.